Because HR agency specializing in creative HR, IT, foreign languages and foreigners who utilize our network. We provide service of first in Japan highly skilled temporary staff employment, introduce foreigners, do employment support, HR medium and YouTube. With translation and interpretation of 180 languages, we connect you to the world, activating HR network for foreigners from 194 countries. We have broad network covering various nationalities and 194 languages. And we match creative HR IT, foreign languages, and foreigners that fit to the client's needs and wishes. Our strength is in the 28-year-long rich experience and specialized knowledge within foreigner staff employment. We provide speedy, reliable, and smooth service from our 170,000 database. Competent support based on specialized consultancy and transparency. We manage information centrally from inquiries to interviews, job seeker population formation, filtering, and proposals. By clear provision of the information, we ensure smooth service delivery from knowledgeable professionals. As Japan's first foreign HR agent, we provide optimal support by leveraging our know-how gained from 28 years of dealing with foreign job seekers. We also provide advice on communication techniques for non-Japanese staff, advice on how to deal with them within the company, and how to improve the retention rate. We can fully utilize our own media and know-how in gathering HR for efficient operations. Because is Japan's first agency specializing in recruiting foreign human resources. We are confident that we can contribute to the development of your business by providing recruitment support and consulting services by utilizing our excellent foreign language, IT and creative human resources to connect you to the world, which is our vision. We want to contribute to the development of Japan. For more information, or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.